Hello and welcome to the Sprint 1 playthrough for Fractured by Forged Games. Alright, so when you open the game, it's going to go through a couple of splash screens created by in Unreal and then Forged Games logo. I created those splash screens using assets that I made all by myself. Basically, it just creates widgets opening from one to another, and then at the end of the splash screen level, it opens up the main menu, which I also created. The font I got off the internet, and I will credit it in the end game credits. But the rest of this is all created by me. So I created this entire menu, so let me walk you through it. We'll start with the credits. When you click on the credits, it shows all the team names. Down here, you can click on this to go back to the main menu. Click on options. We have a couple different option settings. We got control settings, but we haven't worked on that yet, so the feature is coming soon. Same thing with the audio settings. And the video settings, I actually have that all set up so you can change the settings of the video to be compatible with whatever PC you're using, however strong or weak it might be. Okay, so back at the main menu, we'll start with Quick Game. Now, when you click Quick Game, it gives you the option to choose whether you want to quit or not. If I hit yes, it would close this out all the way back to Windows. If I hit no, it simply closes the widget, brings back up the main menu. So we'll go to the gallery first. This is just a small level that we created. I'm not going to go into detail about this because I didn't really make much except for this coin over here. So I guess from here is a good chance to show you the pause menu. So if you hit the pause menu, you can access the options that are the same ones as the main menu. If you go back, it goes back to the pause menu. You can return to the game from here. You can have the option to close Windows. Same thing when you close it from the main menu. When you click it, it gives you the option. If you hit yes, it'll close the game completely. If you hit no, it'll go back to here. And then you can also quit back to main menu, which hitting no will bring you back to the pause menu. If you hit yes, it brings you back to the main menu. So from there, we'll go to Start Game. And this will bring you to the actual game, which starts out in the tutorial level. Again, I didn't build this, but I'll show you a couple things, like the character HUD on the bottom right or bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the bar coming off the heart is health. The bar coming off the blue is the mana. Now the mana is not completely set up yet, but the health is. Actually, I'll take you back to the gallery real quick, and I'll show you how the health works. So just to show you that the health widget down there works, this little box takes health away. And then it's a health potion, and that'll give you the health back. So back to the main menu. I'll go back into the game and just show you a couple things. Now on the top right of the screen is the collectible counter. Now there are coins, gold bars, and keys that you can collect. And I set up that in the main HUD so that it shows up on screen when you're playing. So you can collect a gold bar and it shows up as 1. You can collect the coin and it also shows up as 1. And apparently I picked up a key. I didn't see where it was, but that shows up as 1 as well. And the only other thing I did so far for Sprint 1 is when you interact with this book that was created by one of the other teammates, it will display that you picked up a new quest. And that's pretty much it for what I did in this sprint, and I look forward to showing you what the next sprint has to offer. So from here, we'll pause, and we will quit to Windows.